Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a patent in Canada. First, it's crucial to understand what types of inventions are eligible for patent protection. Next, you'll need to conduct a comprehensive patent search to confirm your invention is truly new and non-obvious. This initial research saves time and resources. Finally, begin preparing your application, focusing on clear and complete descriptions of your invention. Your patent application requires several key components for a successful submission. Start with a concise title and an abstract summarizing your invention. If applicable, include detailed drawings that illustrate your invention's features. Most importantly, draft precise claims that clearly define the boundaries of your invention's protection. These claims are the legal heart of your patent. Once your application is complete, you'll submit it to the Canadian Intellectual Property Office, or CIPO. Be sure to pay the necessary filing fees at this stage. These fees can vary depending on the type and complexity of your application. After submission, CIPO will examine your application. It's vital to respond promptly and thoroughly to any office actions or requests for further information. Following submission, your application enters the examination phase, where CIPO assesses its patentability. You may receive objections from the examiner, which you'll need to address with amendments to your application or persuasive arguments. Once all requirements are met and objections are resolved, you'll pay a final fee. This final payment leads to the official grant of your Canadian patent, securing your intellectual property.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.